corner country ranch, this 3-bedroom home has plenty of space to spread out in. Located in the Evergreen community behind Lee's store, it is convenient to Clarksville and area boat ramps on Kerr Lake. Spacious kitchen west/sliders to the deck. Additions over the years include a family room and a man cave. The corner lot has an extra driveway to the supersized garage's workshop space. Perfect for those west/lots of hobbies. Plenty of space to park your fishing boats here. Come and take a look and hook a bargain.